Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet cardigan. In this video, I'll show you how to work the back part, sleeves and finish up the top. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet cardigan pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. To work the second front part, attach the yarn 3 repeats before the end of the row 30 and then work the pattern regular way, decreasing chains from this side only. Chain 2 to pick up the height, then work single crochet 1, chain 5 and so on. Again, after the decrease, work rows like your second row without decreasing chains until you crochet 48 rows. Then work your second front part as a mirror reflection to the first one. For the back part, attach the yarn, single crochet 2, chain 5 and continue the pattern regular way. At the end of the row, work 2 single crochets and 1 returning chain, then work all other rows like your second row. After you crochet 48 rows, work back shoulder piece. For that, begin the 49th row as usual, and after the 2 repeats, finish the row with chain 5 and single crochet 2. After the single crochet 2, work 1 returning chain and turn. After the 49th row, work 2 more rows for the back shoulder piece and then join the back and front shoulder pieces together. Work the pattern, joining two shoulder pieces together. Single crochet 2, chain 5, single crochet 1 under arches of 4 chains, Now skip 2 double crochets on this side and work 2 double crochets into 1 chain. And then work 1 unfinished double crochet. And now join. Skip 2 double crochets on this side and finish the double crochet. Work 1 double crochet into the following chain. And now repeat the pattern starting from the chain 5. And then to the row work 2 single crochets. After you join shoulder pieces together, slip stitch to your 48th row. And then work the pattern a little bit differently to your last 2 repeats. Chain 1, skip 1 double crochet, work half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, chain 5, and then single crochet 1 under chains, chain 2, and then repeat the pattern starting from the half double crochet one. After you crochet to your last 2 repeats, work 3 rows for the second back shoulder piece. After you crochet the second back shoulder piece, join it with the front shoulder piece, just like you did here. For each sleeve work 5 repeats. Begin crocheting each sleeve totally the same as you started the body, using a smaller size crochet hook. After the first 10 rows, continue working the second row using a larger size crochet hook. Join each sleeve to the body, similar to what you did here. Work your slip stitch. And then single crochet above second double crochet. And then continue like here, chain 5. Single crochet under the arch of 4 chains, joining it to the body. Chain 2, skip 2 double crochets, work half double crochet, and then double crochet into the following chain. And then repeat the pattern starting from the chain 5. At the end of the row, work 2 single crochets. Then join sides of each sleeve. Lastly, single crochet your borders, increasing chains in each corner. After that, the cardigan is ready, and thank you for watching.